we have seen how the classes work and how we can make the objects of different classes. Now we will learn about the inheritance, which is a very important topic. So in simple words, inheritance is just simply the inherited characters. For example, children possess different nature and habits depending on what they inherited from their parents. This is the same concept in programming as well. It is the capability of one class to derive or inherit the properties from another class. For example, we have a base class, which is a human structure class, and obviously each human has nose, legs, ears, arms, and hands. So, and there are different types of human: man, woman, children, and all of them possess the same characters. So there's a base class which we call the parent class, and rest of them are children class. There's a real benefit of inheritance. It represents the real world relationships well. It provides the reusability of a code. We don't have to write the same code again and again. Also, it allows us to add more features to a class without modifying it. So it is transitive in nature, which means that if the class B inherits from another class, then all the subclasses of B would automatically inherit from the class A. So how we can code it in Python? For example, we have a class human, which is a parent class, and it has the method speak, which is the human speaking. And similarly, there's another class man, which is inheriting the human class. This is the basic syntax of inheritance. Like, this man is a child class and the human class is a parent class from which it is inheriting. And the man class has its own method, which is the man speak. And then there's another class woman, which is also the child of this parent. So we have created the object of man, which is this class object, and now the m.speak. So basically, the using the child class, we can also call the parents method. So speak is inside the parent class, so definitely it will print the human speaking. And next time it is calling here the man speak, so next time definitely it will print the man speaking, which is this the method inside this man class. And next time we have created an object of woman, and woman is also calling firstly its parents method. So parents method is speak here, which is human speaking, and next woman speaking. So this is a very basic and simple example of inheritance. It's okay if you are not getting it properly, because it will become clearer and clearer in the next lecture, because we are going to discuss its types. So let's take another example. We have a base class of vehicle. Now we have any vehicle. It can be a car, it can be a truck, it can be crane. So but each vehicle has some common characteristic, which is engine, color, model. There can be other common characteristics as well. So there's a car and there is a truck. So these are the children of this parent class, and the parent class is a vehicle.